Hello, I'm Simona Silvio from Eritvart University, and today I'm going to present a spectrum knowledge acquisition from a 5G signal. Considering the explosion of 5G network, the quantity of information needed to improve the transmission and increase the data rate is grown. At the same time, there is the necessity to reduce the fixed bandwidth occupation dedicated to channel state information and transmission schemes, in order to decode correctly the coming data. As a consequence, the wireless devices must be able to learn and extract knowledge from the signal. In this vision, the aim of the project is to implement a digital circuit able to identify the demodulation reference signal (DMRS) allocation directly from the received 5G signal, instead of sending it through the downlink control information. The design flow can be divided in three parts. The first part consists in simulating a TX-RX system in order to obtain a reasonable 5G signal. Then, parts of two received symbols generated from the MATLAB file are stored into memories to be processed in the FPGA. Finally, the digital circuit is able to calculate the correlation between the stored data and then, based on its level, the location of DMRS is identified in the slot and indicated by the LEDs on the Z port. The design is implemented in VHDL and the high-level architecture is shown on the right. Now it's time for a demo.